Hi students, my name is Madhav More from APCO English Academy. Today we are going to see a new series of words regarding COVID-19. I am going to make 3 videos which will contain about 75 words. All words are very useful. This is part first. So let's take a start. The first word is ailment. It means an illness, typically a minor one, or an illness that is not very serious. Number first example, the doctor diagnosed a common stomach ailment. Next word is disease. It means a specific condition that can be diagnosed by a doctor or an illness caused by infection or a failure of health rather than by an accident. Example number first, polio is one of the several serious diseases that have been nearly eradicated. Next word is Next example, cancer is an incurable and fatal disease. Next word, that is diagnose. It means identify the nature of an illness or other problem by examination of the symptoms. Example, two doctors failed to diagnose a punctured lung. Next word is COVID-19. That is very famous. It is a mild to severe respiratory illness that is caused by a coronavirus, which is characterized especially by fever, cough and shortness of breath, and may progress to pneumonia and respiratory failure. Example, thousands of healthcare workers are sick because of COVID-19. The next word is outbreak. It means a sudden rise in the incidence of a disease or the higher than normal incidence of a disease. Example, number first, there is an outbreak of viral fever in the African countries right now. Example number 2, the H1N1 outbreak is very bad in the south of the city. Next word is epidemic. It means an outbreak of a disease that spreads quickly and affects many individuals at the same time. Example number first, there was an epidemic of yellow fever in 1888. Number 2, city was devastated by an epidemic of plague in 1903. Example number 3, the city was devastated by an epidemic of cholera in 19th century. The next word is pandemic. It is an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects an exceptionally high proportion of the population. Example number first, a flu pandemic occurred 3 times in the last century. Example number 2, corona is a pandemic disease. As we know, when outbreak happens, it becomes epidemic, and if it spreads enough, it becomes pandemic. Next word is super spreader. It means an individual who is highly contagious and capable of transmitting a communicable disease to an unusually large number of unaffected individuals. Example, officials believe a super spreader at a Sydney beach is responsible for a spike in cases. Next word is self-quarantine. It means one who is voluntarily confining themselves by staying at home or refrain from any contact with other individuals for a period of time during the outbreak of a contagious disease usually. Example, the sensible people have self-quarantined themselves. Next word is quarantine. A period restricts the movement of a person until the incubation period is over to see if they become ill. Example, the infected people were put into quarantine. Next word is plasma. Plasma is the largest part of your blood. It is a light yellow liquid. It carries water, salts and enzymes. The main role of plasma is to take nutrients, hormones and proteins to the parts of body that need it. Example for this, the corona recovered patient should donate their plasma to corona infected patients. Next word is fomites. It means objects or materials which are likely to carry infections such as clothes, utensils and furniture. Example, there is also no question that people are getting infected by fomites. Next word is contact tracing. It means it is the practice of identifying and monitoring individuals who may have had contact with an infectious person as a means of controlling the spread of communicable disease. Example, contact tracing is essential to limit the spread of infectious disease. Next word is vaccination, a treatment with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease. Example, vaccination is the prime solution to curb the COVID patients. Next word is contagious disease. It means a disease that can spread from a person to person through direct or indirect transmission, also known as communicable disease. Example number first, corona is a highly contagious disease. Next example, the disease is highly contagious, so don't let anyone else to use your towel. Next word is Ebola is highly contagious disease that causes hemorrhage of internal organs. Next word is infectious disease, a disorder caused by microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses not normally found in the human body. Infectious disease can be transmitted directly or indirectly to people by other people, insects, animals, and contaminated food, water, and other substances. Example number 1, both infectious and contagious diseases are caused by bacteria and viruses. Example number 2, the coronavirus is both contagious and infectious disease. Next word is antibodies. It means it is a blood protein because of which our body recognizes as aliens such as bacteria, viruses, and foreign substances in the blood. Example, developing antibodies are important to resist or kill the foreign virus in the body. Next word is community spread. It means people have been infected with the coronavirus in an area where some people don't know how or where they became infected. Example, as more and more countries experience community spread, the containment at border becomes harder. Next word is containment zone. It means a geographical zone with limited access in or out in an effort to contain an outbreak. As we know, in containment zones, neighborhoods, colonies, and housing societies where infected people live are sealed and access is restricted. The entire demarcated area is barricaded and the entry and the exit points are closed. Only the very basic supplies and services are allowed inside. The next word is COVID pneumonia. It means a complication of COVID-19 infection. This is a lung infection in which inflammation causes air sacs in the lungs to fill with fluid or pus. Ultimately, this causes hypoxemia, that is the low blood oxygen level. Example, COVID-19 pneumonia can lead to acute respiratory diseases which could result into death. Next word is hypoxemia. It is an abnormally low level of oxygen in the blood. More specifically, it is oxygen deficiency in the arterial blood. It can cause organs to malfunction and in severe cases can interfere with brain and heart function. Example, a reduced concentration of oxygen in the blood causes hypoxemia in the patients. Next word is oximeter, an instrument for measuring the proportion of oxygenated hemoglobin in the blood. Example, the child's blood oxygen level can be measured using a pulse oximeter. Next word is evaporator. It means a device in the process used to turn the liquid form of chemical substances such as water into gaseous form or vapor. Next word is vaccine. It means a biological preparation of organisms that provides immunity to a particular infectious disease. Example, researchers also discovered the vaccine was able to restore normal blood sugar levels without using insulin. Next word is ventilator. It means this is a machine that takes over the breathing process when the patients can't breathe well enough on their own. Because COVID-19 can cause severe low respiratory infection, ventilators are critical machines for patients with severe disease. Now see the examples for this. Many corona patients are placed on a ventilator to help them breathe. Example number 2, there was a shortage of ventilators in the hospital last month. Thank you very much.